9:15 a.m. Monday market open. It's an automatic buy sell signal indicator. In live market, it will indicate calls like a signal. Can you see that sell call, sell signal? So that is why the red color candle begin. So sell call started and it break out both the target. And today in 1 minute of market open, buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. Like this automatically, it will analyze the candle movement. Once the breakout happen, in live market, it will give the live calls like a entry point, target, stop loss. Through this entry, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trading also. So if you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. December 23rd Monday market we are watching. On daily basis, we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. But you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. It's a chart only. So on daily standard basis, we are watching the script Bank Nifty future only and in 1 minute chart. So today in 1 minute chart, 1 minute of market open 9:16, buy call came, buy signal. So can you see that white line from green candle? That is our entry line. White line is the entry line. Above line are target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is 51,195. First target is 51,323. It's like 130 point first target. Within 15 minutes of buy call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.